Hello guys, do you want to make such out impressive ad for your client or for OpenArt? How it works, how we are also going to start working to create videos, some VFX effect and many other. And you can upgrade your account. Here you have some credit like me. Then you can click on the upgrade some promo for monthly. User can also get in video description for 15% and there you can also come for yearly. There is the wonder. This is my suggestion plan. You can get number of credit here. You can also start your experience now. We are coming into this section. So we can also create such an impressive work where music video I have selected now. Come into the workspace. We have to select the theme and select the music. There you can also upload there and select your own character up there of some avatar, given some suggestion and select the scale and their high clarity. And after that we are generated like what is that? Use OpenArt to voice our story. Guys, you can also, don't worry, you can edit it on the same interface. Here you can also get all the detail. Even there you can also find more detail. Gets to video or frame to video by these different model you are to describe what type of video you want. And that's so you can choose the skills and there is also quality. Generate the best result will be shown. Lovely. And my friends, next you can also come here to start with VFX, how to implement on a simple picture or video. I am going to select your video and then we can also draw this section. We can also give some description here and then we are also going to making that this face should be. With VFX you can check out the fun result on the screen here. For here you can also check that how it looks with some little thing have been detected. So here you have seen a lot of details on the OpenArt One platform for all these functionality with different model. Yes, you can also get here the director where you can create your music and then you can get some template that will be used as a reference. And here you can also generate the images. Yes, you can also generate some scenario. For that you need to write here prompt and then you have to select the quality as well as 4K resolution. We can generate image using Nanobanana Port Gibit, GPT Image 2 and many other. We are going to choose here number of 3 suggestion and then we will proceed. Here is number 1. You can check this is more aggressive and there according to the result. And further you can also get details in very deep way. This is really impressive work I have seen now. And that's why I'm going to suggest link to you. Even you can also design character for your game, for your different scenario. There are some reference character. You can also use them if you want to create. You can select your reference. We are going to making from text. So here we have to write the describe the character. I am going to creating some chubby character with meal and some like this should be using different model and here I'm also going to creating in a realistic way. So now let's see how type of content we are going to create. Like this is the character. I like it. This is also given us some realistic and very fast result. Even now you want to upgrade your character. You can also go ahead and now it's your turn that how it works. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Enjoy you do epic journey.